Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone. Welcome to English with Emma and Ben. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. We're so happy you're here with us today.
This podcast is for English learners, especially beginners. We speak slowly and clearly to help you understand and enjoy listening.
In every episode, we teach you useful vocabulary, common phrases, and tips to improve your English.
And today, we're talking about something many people need: office English. Ben, have you ever worked in an office?
Yes, I have. I used to work at a marketing company. We had meetings, emails, deadlines, the usual office life.
Sounds familiar. I worked in an IT office. Lots of coffee, computers, and copy machines.
Yes, offices can be busy, but fun too. And there's so much English we use at work. Let's talk about some easy office words. We'll say them in real sentences so you can understand and remember.
Perfect. You can repeat after us if you're listening at home. Here are some words for people and places at work. Manager. My manager gave me a new task. Colleague. I have lunch with my colleagues. Receptionist. The receptionist works at the front desk. Office. I go to the office at 9 a.m. Meeting room. Let's go to the meeting room.
Here are tools and objects you see in most offices. Computer. I work on my computer all day. Printer. Can you print this document? Desk. My desk is next to the window. Keyboard. I type emails on my keyboard. Mouse. Use the mouse to click.
Let's teach some real phrases people say at work.
Can you send me that file? Let's schedule a meeting. I'm working on a project. I'll get back to you soon. I'm running late. Let's take a break.
Very useful. These are short and polite. You can say them to your boss or your coworkers. Let's do a short role play. Imagine we are coworkers in an office.
Okay, I'll be late for work today.
Hi, Ben. You're late today. Is everything okay?
Hi, Emma. Yes, sorry. There was traffic. I just got to the office.
No problem. The meeting starts in 10 minutes. Do you have the presentation?
Yes, I saved it on my USB drive. Let me print the slides.
Perfect. I'll get us some coffee from the break room.
Thanks, Emma. You're a great colleague.
Here are some tips if you want to speak better English at work. Tip 1. Learn 3 new office words every day. Tip 2. Practice short phrases like, "Can I help you?" or "One moment, please." Tip 3. Watch videos or listen to podcasts like this one.
Tip 4. Write your to-do list in English. Tip 5. Practice speaking with a friend. Even pretend you're at work.
Here's your challenge. This week, try using 5 new office words at home or with a friend. You can say, "I'm writing a report." "Let's have a meeting." "Please email me that file." Or make your own. And tell us in the comments, what office word is your favorite? Thank you so much for learning with us today. We hope you had fun.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend.
And don't forget, practice makes progress. Try using these phrases at work, in class, or with friends.